So apparently, the internet thinks your brain is like a dirty kitchen sponge. Just wring it out, bro. Detox the dopamine. Boom. New brain unlocked. Yeah, no, that's not how it works. You can't detox dopamine. You can't uninstall it like some sketchy app on your phone. Without dopamine, you'd literally never get out of bed. But here's the good news. While you can't detox dopamine, you can fix the way you use it, and that's where the real reset happens. All right, let's bust the myth first. Dopamine isn't some evil chemical ruining your life. It's not TikTok in hormone form. It's literally the thing that motivates you to do anything. Ancient humans didn't survive lions and starvation because of willpower. They survived because dopamine was like, yo, if you find food, I'll make you feel amazing. Fast forward to today, and your dopamine system hasn't evolved much. Except instead of lions, it's fighting Netflix, Instagram Reels, and Uber Eats. Here's the catch. Dopamine isn't the problem. The problem is intensity and frequency. Every ping, like, scroll, notification, it's all micro hits of dopamine. And your brain adapts by saying, boring, show me more, show me faster. That's why normal life, like reading a book, sitting in silence, or working on your goals, feels like chewing cardboard. Think about it. Caveman dopamine. Yes, I found berries. I'm a hero. Your dopamine. Yes, I watched 300 dog TikToks in 10 minutes. I'm a hero? Or imagine trying to do homework in 2025. You open the book. Your brain's like, really? Paper with words? Ugh. Then TikTok enters like, hey bestie, I've got a guy dancing in a banana costume while explaining quantum physics. Boom. Dopamine jackpot. Homework equals dead. So no, you can't detox dopamine. It's built into your wiring. Here's what actually works. It's not glamorous, but it's the reset button you're searching for. Step 1. Control the environment, not the brain. You can't detox dopamine, but you can detox distractions. Delete the apps, hide the snacks, stop sleeping with your phone like it's your emotional support pet. Step 2. Rewire your rewards. Your brain is lazy. It chases what's easiest, so you have to trick it. Example, want to read more? Pair it with coffee or snacks you love. Want to work out? Blast music that makes you feel like you're training for the Olympics, even though you're just lifting a 10-pound dumbbell. Step 3. Small wins, not grand plans. Everyone's like, tomorrow I'll wake up at 5 a.m., run 10 miles, start a company, and learn Mandarin. No, you won't. You'll binge Netflix at 2 a.m. and hate yourself. Instead, stack small wins. Do 1 push-up, read 2 pages. Tiny victories compound like interest. Step 4. Boredom is a weapon. Here's the spicy truth. Your brain actually resets when it sits in boredom. That's why walks, showers, or staring at a wall give you random eureka's moments. Let your brain breathe. Don't fill every second with noise. So let's simplify. You can't detox dopamine. You can detox your habits. Delete 1 distraction today. Pair 1 boring task with something fun. Chase small wins instead of superhero plans. And stop being afraid of silence. Your brain isn't dying, it's healing. That's the real reset. So next time someone tells you to do a dopamine detox, just smile and say, oh, cool, so you're planning to die? Because that's the only way to remove dopamine. If you want the real fix, it's not about quitting dopamine. It's about mastering it. And if that sounds like work, yeah, it is. But so is staying broke, tired, and addicted to scrolling. Pick your struggle.